Guys, so you can see I'm here at the top, right here. You can see me at the top. That's because the video is about how to climb. Actually, my sister in this game, not in real life, showed me how to climb there. That's why I'm going to make the video. It's good for hide and seek though. Okay, so let's put Maya here. Come on, Maya. Come on, girl. Okay. Okay, so let's put Maya here. Okay, so the first step is just go right there. Like right there. Just go. And then just go to the edge right here. Oh. Just go right there. Yeah, there. So you can see that it was at the top. Sorry about that. And then just go right beyond there. Just there. Just wait. Yeah, there. It makes you go higher. See? It makes you go like higher. And then wait. Okay. And then go there. Oh, you can see my pet there. And then yeah, you can see the whole view. This is good for hide and seek or role play or RP. It's a good hiding place though, right guys? And my tiger. So yeah. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. Bye and subscribe. Hope you're doing well guys. So bye.